catch some fish because it's already like 6 o'clock. Just decided to pick up and go. Beautiful thing about the van life, just throw your bags in the van and you're off on the road. I don't have nothing booked. I'm just gonna go up and wherever I could find, spend the night. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. Maybe we'll get some worms. Please. Pro J fishing tackle. Alright, so I got me some worms. Let's look over here. I've got a little case of worms. Guess it must be in there somewhere. That's the advantages of having a van. Yeah, you can just pull up, you got your kitchen, your bed, you got your whole house with you. So you can just pull up anywhere and everything's right there. You don't have to set up a tent, nothing. We're all just self-sufficient and we can go anywhere. So we're just gonna explore and see where we can stay. Pulled up to this spot and has a nice view of a lake, but I tucked it in right here. Okay, I think I found the spot. A better spot to stay. But yeah, Sprinter. Got like a pool down there. Got running rapids. Okay, so this looks like the spot. I'm gonna post up here and enjoy the falls for the night. Cook up some food soon. Maybe start up a little fire on the rocks. Alright, so it's dinner time in the van. Don't mind the noise here. I just got the fan on because it's like 35 degrees outside, but I'm gonna make a little easy meal here. A couple of handfuls of some lettuce and spinach in there. For the vegetable, usually I'll put some mushrooms in there too, but forgot to grab that. Make it the spicy gourmet. I'm just gonna wait till those eggs cook and it will be done.
Few moments later.
It is 80 degrees Fahrenheit in here, 26, but I got the fan blowing air in at 60% fan speed and it's keeping me nice and cool right now. Just trying to look out for any mosquitoes or bugs. I've been getting a number of them, but what's been saving me is the DeWalt 20 volt max vacuum. As soon as I see a bug, I turn it on. And I vacuum them up. So if there is any bugs, they will get vacuumed right up. This thing has been a lifesaver. So this is one thing definitely need in the summer nights. There's a 24-inch fan being run off the Kodiak generator, and that's what is keeping me cool at night inside the van while it's 30 to 35 degrees outside tonight.